Hello everyone and welcome to the second day from the 6 days of Halloween 2021 with Comcrafty. This is the card we are making today. It's called a funny card or funny flap card. I'm not sure, I did it last year, made it last year and I don't remember very well. But there is another card a bit more complicated than this one, which we will do tomorrow. And by then I will find the source and I will link it in the description box below. For this card, what we need is two pieces of cardstock. One of them, the longer one, the base, should be 23 centimeters by 10 and a half. In this case, is the orange one. And the second one, the mauve, in this case, has to be 24 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Now we take the orange piece, the base, and we score it on any of the edges at 7.5 centimeters on the long edge. And then we take the mauve piece, the insert, I'm calling it in this case, which is 24 by 8, and then we score it in half on the length. Here I'm showing you the collection that I have worked with. It's called Candy Carnival. It's from Doodlebug. It's a collection for children from my point of view, but I'm loving it nevertheless. And here I'm going through the decision process what papers to use. In the end you will see I use a plaid pattern because it fitted my my bases very well, my base colors. So this is how the card looks so far. What we have to do now is to take a piece of pattern paper and measure it so it has 14.5 by 10 centimeters. We stick it on the base, on the longer side of the base, and then we take the mauve insert, which has been already folded in half, and prepare it to glue it down in the middle, like I'm showing you here, but with the opening to the left. Yes. So for this we just need to apply some double sticky tape on the two long edges of the insert, and then remove the taping, the backing, and apply it on the base. For this I complicated this myself a little bit too much. You will see I had turned the card around horizontally, but by the second card that I will show you tomorrow, you will see that it's much simpler. So I'm telling you now, you can just open the flap, the small flap of the base to the left, so to have the base completely open, and just glue the card down as centrally as possible. That's all you have to do. And then this is how your card looks now. I like it a lot. It's simple, but very, very, I don't know, it has a nice impact. Now what we have to do is to decorate the outside flap, the left flap, and the right flap of the mauve insert. I'm of course now erasing the markings. And so for the left flap of the base, the orange one, that one that is 7.5 by 10.5, we need a piece of paper that is 7 by 10. And if your paper has a certain direction, pay attention to that, so it's in the same direction. And then for the mauve flap, I used one of the tags of the collection, which is 7.5 by 10 centimeters. I put some double sticky tape, which now I realize it was pointless, because then I put some glue dots, foam dots, and glued it, yes, on the front flap. I like very much how it looks, and I hope you like it too. It's so simple. I don't think it will take you more than 10 minutes, which means that if you need some last minute gifts, this is a perfect way to do it. I hope you like it very much, and if you decide to do it yourself, don't forget to tag Comcrafty on Facebook. Until tomorrow, when I will show you the more complicated one, I wish you a lovely day and take care. Bye bye!